Well.
Oh my goodness, you caught a huge one. What?
You see that thing?
Yes. It's a monster. That's a monster.
I got him.
You got him? Oh.
Is trout considered a game fish because they fight like one?
Oh, they're a game fish, sure. Watch out, Kivy. Kivy, step back. Step back.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got him.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, it's the one that you caught. Oh wait, his tail isn't missing. No, his tail is missing. Oh, it's huge.
He ain't coming off.
Is he deep? You hook him deep?
Kind of.
Just pull up the string.
Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Just drag him on up here, buddy.
Just pull the line.
Okay.
I'm cold.
Oh, you better get him, better get him, better get him, better get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. No, get him up there to shore. Bring him. Turn. Get on up there.
He swallowed like the hook, like it's in his body. Like the hook is.
I got one. Okay.